singing choir. You are now this assembly's contestants on Plinko. And now, let's welcome our host, Mr. Overly.
Okay, everybody, here we go. Last Plinko of 2018. But it'll be back in 2019. I do know that we have some new people in the audience, so kids, we need to make sure that everyone knows what we're playing for. So please, if we get it in one of the 4 orange slots, what do they win? Birthday pencil. But then there's the 3 pink ones up here. What do they get? 10 minutes extra recess for the whole class. Then there's this yellow one in the middle that we haven't seen for quite a few assemblies, but if one or more of these contestants get it in the yellow one in the middle, what do they win? A pizza party for the whole class. So let's get started. Let's cheer on our first contestant, Taisei. Here we go.
Taisei.
Pizza party for Gee, come on over here. Thank you for playing, Taisei. Oh my goodness, pizza party on the first one. I don't know. Can we have 2 pizza parties? Let's cheer on Supreme. I'm going to do the same thing I did last assembly. You get to choose any color you want. You can choose yellow, orange, or pink. And if it lands in that colored slot, you win free coffee from North End for the whole elementary faculty. All right, kids, help him choose what color.
Go down and turn the corner.
Oh, he's choosing pink now. Where would you like me to start it? Right here. Okay, let's cheer on Mr. Granlin. Another winner! Oh my goodness, 2 pizza parties and coffee from North End. Well done, everyone. Oh, this was an exciting thing.